Hello everyone, today we will show you how to mileage correction on Volkswagen R7F701401 5A5C instrument cluster using our Ultra-S Prog cluster from Volkswagen vehicle with R7F701401 MCU. First, we use test cable to wake up instrument cluster and get original mileage. As you can see, the original mileage is 5680 km. Then, we give power to Ultra-S Prog and connect to computer via USB. Select the correct menu according to the vehicle model, then click on the diagram. The diagram will show you which adapter to use and how to solder wires to instrument cluster PCB board. Once soldered adapter done, click the R&W miles button in the upper left corner. Our device will automatically start cracking chip and reading the data. After the data is read done, please save backup file to desktop. Then our software will automatically upload data to our server for calculation. Enter the target mileage, then click modify. Our device will automatically modify data and write to instrument cluster. As you can see, file write completed. After completion all, we disconnect V850RH850 adapter from the device and use test cable to wake up the instrument cluster. As you can see on the instrument cluster, the new mileage is 3210 km. Then remove adapter wires. Solder capacitors back to cluster PCB board. Job done.